Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download videos on Netflix into your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. In order to download videos from Netflix into your laptop, you just simply have to open your Netflix application at first, and after opening the Netflix application into your laptop, you will get to see this homepage into here. Now in here, you just simply have to choose the content which you want to download, and after choosing the content that you want to download, you will get to see this download button beside the rate option. Just simply click into this download button and it will take a short amount of processing. Depending on your internet connection, the video will successfully be downloaded into your laptop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.